Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world. We got another bad one, people. We got another bad one. And yes, it is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. So make sure you download ASAP if you like this watch face. Now, the name of this watch face is called NFG's Sapphire 70s. Now this watch face is nice. It's different, it's unique, but yet and still it's going to give you everything you need out of a watch face. Most of all, time. I like the look. I like the difference in design. It's not a bad look at all. Now in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look. The background is going to be black and the numbers are going to be in a light color. It's going to look awesome. Once the watch face is on, if you look right here, that looks to be like it could be a road. You get your step status info at the top. I like the unique design of the font, something different compared to what I'm normally used to seeing. And you're gonna also get your date information down at the bottom with a black background, which should help on battery efficiency. So if you want something unique, something different to flex in, this can be a weekend dress down watch face and or a work week watch face. It will all depend on you. All right, you all. Don't forget to share this video out on social media and with other people that are into Galaxy watch faces. And with that, I'm out of here. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Continue to grind hard if you have to grind. And make sure you hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.